Hey Elon, how are you, dude? Oh, great. I need a blue tick for my Twitter account.
Oh, cool. Pay $8.
Really? Come on, dude. I have all the necessary requirements for the blue tick.
Huh. Then pay $8.
Come on, bro. This is just a blue tick. Why I have to pay $8 for that?
Pay $8.
Well, I'm not going to ask you again. Give me the blue tick. Now!
Pay $8.
So you leave me no choice then.
Pay $8.
Well, the existing Twitter UI is kinda simple, so I'm just going to create my own Twitter UI and I'm just going to give myself a blue tick. But before that, as an experienced app developer, first I have to create the design for the UI. Well, it's not like the Twitter's UI, it's more like my life. Okay, back to the business. This is my Twitter's UI. So here we have this banner for the user's profile, and then we have this profile picture of the user, and after that we have the informations about the user, and then we have the followers and the following count, and then we have the sections where we can see the tweets and likes and all those things. So that's basically going to be the UI. First we are going to start with the banner. Well, this banner section is quite simple because it just contains an image and this back arrow, and that's it. Now the banner is ready, so let's move to the profile picture of the user. Well, aligning this profile picture will take a lot of work, I think, because it has to be aligned between the banner and then the profile section. These two things are two different sections, so I think it takes some time. So after trying out different ways, I just got something working, so now it's aligned properly. And I also added the follow button, so let's move to the user's information. This info section is quite simple. It just have the user's name, the user's ID, and then the short description about their life. Okay. And then we have the followers and the following count. Come on dude, it's my app, so yeah. Well, as I said in my last video, you can't just see the live updates of the UI in Jetpack Compose and in Android app development, so you have to build this UI with assumptions, and this is what will happen sometime. So after some work, now the info section is done, so let's move to the sections where we have the tweets, replies, likes and all those things. Well, in this section, the very important thing is this tweet. So this tweet itself can be a composable which can be reused to create different tweets in this section. So that's the plan. We are just going to create an reusable code which can be given with different input to generate different tweets. But before that, I'm just going to add this tab names, and yeah, now we are good to go. Well, this code itself can be separated into different pods because the user information repeat itself for all the tweets, and we have these likes, comments, retweets, and these things will also appear in all the tweets. So we can just make these things as reusable, so we can just give different inputs to get different outputs. About that content section, it differs based on the input, so we have to handle it based on the inputs. Oh boy. So after smashing my keyboard for a while, I just got these things working. So now the UI is almost completed, but there is one very important thing missing. It's the blue tick. Perfection. So now the Twitter UI is completed. It is looking cool, I think, and I used the thumbnails of my YouTube videos to give input for this tweet section. And about my YouTube video, only few people are subscribed, so you know what to do, right? Just hit that subscribe button. Or if you are too good to hit that subscribe button, I may probably create my own YouTube to give myself some subscribers.